Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Today I will show you how we can buy any item from Alibaba through your bank account or credit card. It is very simple to buy any product from Alibaba through bank account or credit card. First of all, you need to log in your account. I already log in my account. Then select any product that you want to buy. If randomly, if I want to buy these airports, then I click on these airports. Then again I select these airports, then click on start order request or you can directly contact supplier. I click on start order request. When I click on start order request, then click the amount or quantity that you want to purchase. Like if I want to buy 10 items, then I can select 10 items, then click on complete order request. When you click on complete order request, it will move you to the next page. Here you can give the shipping address of your home or city. After giving your city address, then click on submit to supplier. When you click on submit to supplier, it will send you a message. The supplier give you a message. After sending you a message, you just need to pay your amount. After paying your amount, the product will deliver at your home. This is a simple tutorial about how we can buy any product from Alibaba through bank accounts or other options. Thanks for watching.